Hey friends, and happy Monday. I'm coming in today with a flash giveaway of some Perfect Keto products. I also want to let you know that the Perfect Keto mac and cheese is back in stock. There was like a pre-sale sale a while back and it sold out super fast. But today is the official launch day of the product. So if you have been waiting to order mac and cheese, now is the time. It still could sell out. Hopefully it won't sell out as fast as the last time, but it could still sell out before the sale ends. So if you do want it, order quickly. Yes, there is a sale going on right now with the launch of the mac and cheese. It's one of those buy more, save more type sales. So if you buy one product, you can get 15% off. Although if you only want to buy one product, you should still use my coupon code IndigoNili20 and then you'll get 20% off. So don't ever do that one item 15% off when you could get 20% off with my code. Anyways, so if you order 2 items, then you get 20% off. If you order 3 items, 25% off. And if you order 4 or more items, you can get 30% off of everything. So not just the mac and cheese, but anything in the store except for subscriptions. Last week, I shared a recipe video where I used some of their MCT oil powder, their flavored ones, to make some really incredible egg white bread buns. So good. Check out that video if you haven't seen it. Just trying to give you ideas of things that you might want to stock up on or grab during this sale. I tried their strawberry MCT oil powder and oh my goodness, it is so good. Just mixed with water. You can mix it with like some kind of a milk or milk alternative, but I just mixed it with water and it tasted like strawberry milk. It was so good. Their Nola bars make great snacks for the kids. I love having those on hand. The cereal, it's funny, we went to the pool this morning and Levi grabbed the opened bag of chocolate cereal, Perfect Keto chocolate cereal for his snack. And so after he swam, he had his bag of cereal and he was just munching away in the car. So it's great for on-the-go snacks like that. Did you have fun at the pool?
Yeah.
And what are you having for your snack after you finish swimming in the pool? What is it?
Cereal.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I see it all over your face. It must be good. Of course, you know my absolute favorite is the electrolytes. So, the black cherry is back in stock. I just checked on that to make sure. Back in stock. So if you've been waiting for that and you want to get a deal on stocking up, definitely head over for that. All right, now on to the giveaway. Let me show you what I got here. For this flash giveaway, I'm going to give away 2 of the cereals, 1 cinnamon, 1 honey nut, and 1 container of the pink lemonade electrolytes, as well as, dun dun dun, the white cheddar mac and cheese. 1 box of the white cheddar mac and cheese for you to try. To enter the giveaway, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. You can comment anything, maybe your favorite Perfect Keto product, or how you got started on keto, or just I would like to enter the contest. Since I do want people to have time to still place an order if they don't end up being the winner of the giveaway, I'm going to have this go really quickly. That's why I'm calling it a flash giveaway. The giveaway will be open until tomorrow evening, Tuesday at 9 p.m. Pacific time, and I will announce the winner on Wednesday. The sale will be going until Friday the 17th, so if you want to wait to place an order to find out if you've won or not, feel free to do that. But don't forget that the mac and cheese specifically could sell out, and of course anything could sell out in any amount of time. But if you do want to wait to place your order, you'll still have a couple of days to do that after I announce the winner. Good luck to everybody, and I will see you down in the comments with your entries. Here at the end, if you haven't seen it yet, I will put the salted caramel pull-apart rolls that I made using Perfect Keto's MCT oil powder. So check that out. I'm excited to try that recipe again with some of their other flavors. I think strawberry pull-apart buns are in my future, for sure.